Morning students, hope you all are safe and healthy. So students, today I am taking lesson number 2, the sentence from your English grammar book. So before we go through the sentence, how many types of sentence are there, and how to use or how to write a correct sentence in a correct order, we go through later. First, I want to tell you something. You know, students, in earlier times, language is not there. We humans sending the drum sound or any other sound to convey the information to other group of people. पहले लैंग्वेज का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ था, तो वी ह्यूमन बींग्स, द अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स, एंड देन द years passes, we started sending the sound, any drum sound or any other sound, to sending the information to other group of people. और लोगों को information send करने का ये एक तरीका था. And slowly and gradually we human invented the language. Then we invented the language to make understand others feeling and get the information from them. लैंग्वेज का इन्वेंशन हुआ तो क्या हुआ, हम एक दूसरे के विचारों को समझ पाए, फीलिंग को और इंफॉर्मेशन को भी एक दूसरे के पास पहुंचा पाए. So like this, the invention of letters, then words, then sentence where came into practice. तो लेटर बने, वर्ड्स बने, सेंटेंस बने, और इस तरीके से आज हम so many language. Now we have so many language to express our thought, ideas, emotions and feelings. So now we have so many languages in our country and in all over the world to express our thoughts, ideas, emotions and feeling. अपने विचारों को, अपने राय को, अपने इमोशन जो आप एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं, आप क्या समझ रहे हैं, क्या सीख रहे हैं, इस तरीके से we express all this in the through the language. Okay, now come to the sentence. In English alphabet there are 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. You already know it. 6 vowels and 21 consonant. So combining of both the vowels and consonant means taking some letters from these 26 letters, we make a word. Combination of letters in a correct order is called words. So combination of letters means combining 1 or 2 or 3 or so many letters are there, we combine it and make a new word from these 26 letters. So what is word? Word is a letter or group of letters that has meaning when spoken, written or when you listen something. Okay, so word is a letter or group of letter that has meaning. Some meaning should be there. Okay, when you are spoken or when you are written or when you listen something from other person. Example, if I write YBO, I will say this is a group of letter, but it's giving the correct meaning. No. क्या वो करेक्ट मीनिंग दे रहा है? YBO? नो. तो उसे करेक्ट वे में, करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में हम लिखेंगे BOY, boy. Okay, BOY, boy. So like this, you know, understand now? ये एक लड़के के बारे में बात हो रही है. Now, LOOSHC, I will say is a group of letter, but it is not giving the correct meaning. So I write correctly school, and the third is Monday. So like this is a correct when you are write a letter in a correct sequence, in a correct order, it make a complete word. Okay, now a group of words put together in proper order which makes a complete sense is called sentence. सेंटेंस क्या होता है? जब ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर को हम एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं तो वो एक कंप्लीट सेंस देना चाहिए, यानी कि वो कंप्लीट मीनिंग कन्वे होना चाहिए, तभी वो सेंटेंस होता है. ओके, नाउ सी, Define sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that make complete sense, convey a clear meaning and express a complete thought is called a sentence. Sentence क्या है? एक group of words है जो complete sense देता है यानी कि complete meaning देता है, convey a clear meaning, okay, and express a complete thought. जो आप बोलना चाहते हो वो thought को clearly दूसरे को समझा पाओ तब हम सेंटेंस बोल सकते हैं उसे. सो एक्सप्रेस ए कंप्लीट थॉट इज कॉल्ड ए sentence. So define sentence. Sentence is a group of words that make complete sense, convey a clear meaning and express a complete thought is called a sentence. Now this is an important point. A sentence is always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark और exclamation mark. तो सेंटेंस जो है हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होगा और एंड कहाँ होगा? फुल स्टॉप में हो सकता है वो. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं तो क्वेश्चन मार्क रहेगा. अगर आप सरप्राइज हो रहे हैं, दुखी हो रहे हैं या खुशियाँ मना रहे हैं तब एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क लगता है. दैट आई विल give the detail of you later. Okay, so this all depends upon what kind of sentence it was. If I am applying the full stop or I am putting the question mark or I am putting the exclamation mark, it depend on the sentence, what type of sentence you are writing or you are telling. Okay, so a sentence is always begins with a capital letter. हमेशा capital letter से शुरुआत होगा sentence का and end with a full stop और full stop से end होगा. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो तो क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड होगा और सरप्राइज हो रहे हो, जॉय है, सॉरो है, दुखी हो रहे हो, उन सब में हम एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क लगाते हैं. So depends upon what kind of sentence you are writing or you are speaking. Okay, now see the example here. Some sentence I write here, blue sky is the correct order. The sentence, the word is in a correct order? No, the sky is blue. Now the sentence is in a correct order. तब हम बोल सकते हैं ये sentence है. Now see, in the I write the capital letter and at the last I put the full stop. So you have to remember, whenever you are writing any sentence, depend on what kind of sentence it was, you have to put the full stop, the question mark or the exclamation mark. Okay, now the second one, name is what your. Name is what your. If I ask your name, I will not say name is what your. I will say what is your name. So I am asking the question now, na? So that is why I put the question mark here. Won match the we. Hooray! Okay, you won the match and I came to you, in front of you, and I say, won match we. Hooray! No, I will not say this is the wrong sentence. So I place all the words in a correct order. Hooray! We won the match. Now I put the exclamation mark. Have you seen after hooray? Okay. Balloon many I have. If you are having the balloon and I ask you what you are having in your hand, you will not say balloon many I have. You will say I have many balloons. मेरे पास बहुत सारे balloons हैं. तो I capital है, full stop वहाँ पे है. Love children toys is also a incorrect sentence. Okay, so wrong sentence. So what is the correct words? When we put in a correct order all the words, children love toys. The C is capital and I put the full stop here. Okay, now come. Words are generally arranged in 4 different ways that make 4 different kinds of sentences. Words को हम ऐसे arrange करते हैं कि जिस तरीके से अरेंज करते हैं और जो मार्क डालते हैं उसके वजह से हम 4 सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. ठीक है, तो सेंटेंस कितने प्रकार के यहाँ पे होंगे? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर देयर? देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर देयर व्हेन वी आर अरेंज ऑल द वर्ड्स इन ए करेक्ट ऑर्डर. ओके, so now see, you have to remember this one, the important one. Assertive और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. असर्टिव सेंटेंस और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. असर्टिव को डिक्लेरेटिव भी बोलते हैं और डिक्लेरेटिव को असर्टिव भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो असर्टिव एंड डिक्लेरेटिव, जब हम ऐसे ही कुछ कॉमन सेंटेंस जब बोलते हैं उसे असर्टिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. कुछ डिक्लेयर करते हैं, कुछ बताते हैं. ठीक है. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस मीन्स व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. जब आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हो सामने वाले से या लिखते हो तो वो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है. I will give all the details about this sentence in the next video. Okay. Now come to the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence क्या होता है? जब हम कोई कमांड दे रहे हैं, कुछ ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं, कुछ रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कुछ सजेशन दे रहे हैं, कुछ एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, तब हम imperative sentence का यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे sit down. Okay, this is the imperative sentence. I am giving the order to you. I am giving the command to you. Imperative sentence, please shut the door. I am requesting you to shut the door. Imperative, this advice, don't cross the road. Don't cross the road while the vehicles are going on the road. Okay, so at the time of when the vehicles are going on in a very fast speed is there, and when you're crossing the road, so somebody is giving advice to you, so that advice is also a imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, I already told you, hooray, you remember this one, hooray, we won the match. So when we are putting the exclamation mark in after hooray, so that is we call the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence when you are expressing your emotions, your feeling, your joy, your happiness, okay, your sadness, oh, like this. Okay, bravo, wow, what a beautiful frock, what a beautiful pen, what a beautiful pen. Okay, so like this we say the words when we are expressing our thoughts and feelings with emotions, with deep emotions. Okay, now come to the first, assertive or declarative sentence. Assertive and declarative sentence क्या होता है? Okay, when give any statement or information, जब आप कोई स्टेटमेंट देते हो या इंफॉर्मेशन देते हो, कुछ जानकारी देते हो. When give any opinion, जब आप बोलते हो कि हाँ मेरा ये मानना है, मेरी ये राय है, ओपिनियन. ओके, व्हेन टेल्स अबाउट द फैक्ट्स, एक सच आप बताते हो कि द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, द अर्थ इज राउंड, सो दिस इज द फैक्ट, ये सच है. ओके, स्टार्ट विथ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड विथ फुल स्टॉप. सो assertive and declarative, you have to pay attention every time it started with the capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay, now see some example of assertive sentence. See here, example statement. Okay, now the common way when you are talking or telling something, so I put the underline in I and full stop. So you have to remember, whenever you are starting the sentences, the first letter should be a capital letter, and at last whatever, if you are asking the question, you put the question mark. If any exclamation sentence is there, you put the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is not always put be in the end. In the middle of the word also we put the exclamation mark. Okay, opinion, he always tells the truth. The first is statement, I like ice cream. So you are telling something to someone, I like ice cream, मुझे आइसक्रीम बहुत पसंद है. Opinion, he always tells the truth, वो हमेशा सच बोलता है. Facts, the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east, east से sunrise होता है. Information, the grocery shop open at 9 o'clock. तो ग्रोसरी शॉप हमेशा 9 o'clock में ही ओपन होती है. तो यू आर गिविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन टू सम अदर पर्सन. सो हाउ मेनी this way we have to write the sentence in a statement. When we are giving any statement or information, when we are giving any opinion, when we are telling about some facts, so all these sentences are assertive and declarative sentences. ये सारे जो सेंटेंस है आपके स्टेटमेंट है, ओपिनियन है, फैक्ट्स है, इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये सब किसके अंडर में आते हैं? assertive and declarative sentence. The rest of the sentence I will explain to you in the next video. So you have to remember all these things. I already told you, you have to make a copy of articles. Means the grammar copy you have to make 200 pages, and you have to write the first lesson article A and the whatever the things I have give you in the video. You have to make all the explanation notes in that copy, and then you have to keep it with yourself. In any day I will ask you about this, and you have to show it to me whether you have completed your work or not. Okay students, so hope you understand all the this up to here, assertive or declarative sentence, and how many types of sentences are there, and what is sentence, what is word, what is a group of word we called, and what is we call the combination of letter, and how many letters are there in English alphabet, and how we use to the words into words and then make a sentence when we are putting the words in a proper order, in a correct order. Okay students, hope you will understand and complete your work and keep with you. Any day I will ask about have you completed the lesson number 1 article or not, and then you have to start the sentence. Also started writing the sentence in a new page. Your lesson number 2 the sentence are there. So you have to, when you completed lesson number 1, then you have to start lesson number 2 in your grammar copy. Okay students, hope you will understand and revise again and again each and everything, because in the exam I will not give the question from the book, your grammar book itself. I will give some extra example. I want to know how much you have understand all the things or not. Okay, so keep ready for that. Thank you.